Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Cambridge IGCSE A levels paper from October-November 2022. You will have the list of formula sheet and you know all the instructions here. So let's start. The first question that we have: solve the equation 3x minus plus 2 equals to 2 over x minus 1. So solve means we are going to find out the value of x. So I'm just going to write it down. 3x plus 2 over 1 will be equals to 2 over x minus 1, right? So now you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, we are going to get here we have 3x plus 2 into x minus 1 equals to 2 times 1. So now you expand the brackets. So 3x times x, 3x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 2, and then we have 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So this is 3x squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0. We shifted this 2 to other side. So we got here 3x squared minus minus x x squared minus x minus 4 equals to 0, right? So now we can make the factors of this. So we need something that is when we multiply we get equals to -1, and when we add we get when we multiply we get 4 times 3, this is 12, and when we add we get -1. So we can factorize the 3x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So now taking out common from here, 3x is common, so we have x plus 1 minus 4 is common from here, again x plus 1 equals to 0. So this gives us x plus 1, then x minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here we got either x plus 1 is 0, that is x is -1 and x is 4 over 3. So this is the final answer, right? Now number 2 that we have here, let's see. And the equation of the curve is such that dy dx is this. It's given that curve passes through the point P 6, 4. Find the equation of the tangent at the curve. So now to find out the tangent we need the gradient. The gradient is dy over dx. So we already have the gradient. Gradient is change in y over change in x, which is given to us as 12 into half x minus 1 power -4, right? So at we have given the point, it passes through 6, 4. So at x equals to 6, this is x and this is y. So at x equals to 6, the gradient is going to be 12 into 1 over 2 times x is 6 minus 1 power minus 4. So this is 12 into this is 2 times 3, 3 minus it's 1 is 2, 2 raised to power -4. Which is 12 over 2 power 4 is 16, and writing in simplest form it is 3 over 4. So gradient we got 3 over 4. So therefore the equation of the tangent will be given by y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, the point is, we have the point P which is 6 and 4. So y minus y1, that is 4, equals to m is 3 over 4, x minus x1, that is x minus 6. Okay, so you can leave it like this, or you can just transform it to other side. and the 4 can go on other side. So this is 3 over 4x. I'm expanding the bracket first, then 3 over 3 times 6, it is 18 over 4, negative sign, then plus it is 4. So it will be y equals to 3 over 4x minus, when you solve this comes out to be half. Okay. Now next, find the equation of the curve. So now we need to find out equation of the curve. Equation of the curve means we need to have the value of y. So we have the derivative. We are given dy over dx. I will take it again. So it is 12 into half x minus 1 power negative 4. So we need to integrate that to get the value. When we integrate both sides, left hand side we will have y, and this side we will have 12 into half x minus 1 minus 4 into dx. So it is going to be 12 into half x minus 1 negative 4 plus 3 4 plus 1, and down we will have negative 4 plus 1. Then by chain rule the derivative of this, so this is going to be times 1 over 2 plus c. Okay, so now I will simplify. This is 12, this becomes 4 negative 3 over 2. So this is going to become, okay, let me just first write as it is, half x minus 1 power minus 3. This will be negative 3 over 2 plus c. So we can rewrite, this is going to be 12 times 2 over negative 3 into half x minus 1 power negative 3 plus c. So this is 3 times 4, so this becomes negative 8 into half x minus 1 power minus 3 plus c. Now this passes through at point 6 4, the point that we are given. So we will write it down here, y equals to, y is then here 4, and this is negative 8, and x is half times x is 6 minus 1 power minus 3 plus c. So this is 4 equals to minus 8, then 3 minus 1, it is 2 power 3, 2 power negative 3 plus c. So from here we get c as 5. So just simplify, you will get c as 5. So once we got c5, we are just going to substitute in the equation. So the required equation is y equals to negative 8 half x minus 1 power minus 3 plus 5. So this is our final answer for this curve. Okay, number 3, the curve has equation y equals to this, and a x is greater than 0 and a is constant. The curve has stationary point at point P, the which coordinate x, which has x coordinate 9. Find the y coordinate of this. So let's start whatever we are given. We are given here y equals to a x half minus 2x. Okay, now we need for the stationary point, you need to find out dy dx. Dy dx should be 0 for the stationary point. So first of all I will find out d over dx here. So that is going to be half a x power half minus 1, right, minus 2. So for stationary point this is going to be equal to 0. So that means we have half a x power minus half will be equals to 2. So a x is equal to 2 times 2, that is 4. So I can write it down, a over x power half, which is equal to 4. So now we are given that at x equals to 9. So at x coordinate 9. So from here we have, what are we looking? We are looking for the y coordinate actually. So for this one I will put here as a equals to 4 times x power half. So at x coordinate 9, so at x 9 we have a equals to 4 into 9. This half means square root is 4 times 3, that is 12. So we got the value of a as 12, right? So we got a 12. So now when a is 12, what will be? When a is 12 and x is 9, so what will be y? So y is, we have this x half minus 2x. We will substitute all these values. So it is 12 and square root of x is 9 minus 2 times 9. So this is 12 times 3 minus 18, 36 minus 18, which is 18. So required y coordinate is is 18. This is our answer. Okay. Now number 4, the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of this, you see we have two expansions and they have added, is 70. Find the possible values of for the constant p. So for this I will use the rth term. Rth term is like r plus 1th term ncr a n minus r br, right? So this is the formula that we are going to use. So here I am looking for coefficient of x squared. So this a b power in the first expansion, so I will take coefficient of, for coefficient of x squared in 1 plus 2 over px power 5. We are going to use is given by it will be become 5c2 a is 1 here, 1 power n minus r, 5 minus 2, it is 3. Then it will be 2px power r is our 2. Okay, so the 5c2 is 10 times 1 into 2 square over p square and x squared, right? So we will leave x squared for the coefficient. So this becomes 4 times 10 is 40 over p squared x squared, right? I will take it as equation 1. Now same we will do in the second one. So now for the coefficient of 1 plus px power 6, we will use the same formula, ncr, this one ncr. So here n is now c, it will be 6c2 1 power 6 minus 2, that is 4, then px power going to be 2, right? Now 6c2, if you calculate, this is 15 times 1 times p squared x squared. So this came out to be 15 p squared and x squared. So this is equation number 2. So now we are going to add. So we are given sum of both is sum, it's given to us sum of coefficient of x squared, sum of the coefficients is equal to 70. So this is going to be 40 over p squared plus 15 p squared, and this is equal to 70. Now we are just going to simplify this for p. So let's see, I will multiply the whole equation by p squared, then I will get here 40 plus 15 p power 4 equals to 70 p squared. Rearrange, so this will become 15 p4 minus 70 p squared plus 40 is equal to 0. So now put p squared is equal to t. So this is going to be 15 t squared minus 70 t plus 40 is equal to 0. So now we are going to solve this for t. So I will just use directly the quadratic formula, but wait, we can I think we can divide it by 5 to simplify. Dividing by 5, this is 14t plus 8 equals to 0, right? So t is going to be minus, using quadratic formula, plus minus b squared. B squared is negative 14 squared minus 4 times 3 times 8. Yeah, over 2a. A is 3. So this is going to be 14 plus minus square root 100 over 6. So 14 plus minus 10 over 6, right? So we got the value of t. T is going to be 14 plus 10. Once we are going to add, then we are going to subtract. So this is 24 over 6 and this is 4 over 6. So t is 4 and 2 over 3. So we got the value of t. Now by using t we can get the value of p. Now we substituted here as p is equal to t squared. So as p square is equal to t, so we got the value of, so p square is equal to 4 and p square is equal to 2 over 3. So from here we are going to get p is plus minus 2. From here we will get p is plus minus square root 2 over 3. Yeah, so that's it for this question. So now number 5 we have here. The diagram shows the sector OAB of a circle with center O. The length of the arc AB is 8 centimeter. It is given that the perimeter of the sector is 20 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the shaded segment. So we are actually looking for this length AB and this arc length. Arc length we have to find out the length of AB, right? So for that I will start with the given. We are given that perimeter of the circle, perimeter of sector, it is 20 centimeters, right? So then we have OA plus OB plus AB arc. I'm just writing arc AB equals to 20. OA and OB, they are both are radius, right? And plus AB, we are given this is as 8 and 20. So from here 2r is 12 and r is equal to 6, right? So we got r as 6 centimeters. So meaning this is 6 and this is 6. Okay. Now we are looking for the length of arc. Using the formula of length of arc. So we have length of arc AB is equal to 8 centimeters, and the formula is r theta. Theta we are taking in radians. See, 6 times theta is 8, and 8 theta is 8 over 6, that is 4 over 3 radians, right? So this is 4 over 3 radians. Now by cosine rule we can find out the length of AB. The purpose is to find out length of AB. So this AB, we have this triangle. Now we got this theta which is 4 over 3 radians. So we can use the cosine rule to find out AB, right? So AB square is going to be 6 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 6 cos of 4 by 3 radians, right? Angle included between these two, 6 and 6 centimeters. So this is 36 plus 36 minus 72 cos of 4 by 3. So from here we get AB, you do the square root and then just plug in all the values. I got here 7.42 centimeters, right? So once we got the value of AB, then we can find out the perimeter. So now it's easy to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of the shaded shape, like the required one, is going to be 7.42 plus this one. This we got 7.42, and we have this length of arc which is 8 centimeter. So this is comes out to be 15.42, and we will write down here 15.4 to the 3 significant figures. Right now, number part B, find the area of the shaded segment. So area of the shaded segment, we will have the area of the sector. So it's like this. Let me just draw a rough diagram. So we are looking for this area. So area of this sector minus area of the triangle, right? So shaded area is area of sector minus area of triangle, right? So area of sector is half r squared theta minus area of triangle half. We will use the sine theta formula. Sine, this is half, r is 6 squared, theta is 4 by 3 minus half, r is 6 times 6, 6 times 6, and sine 4 over 3, right? So this comes out to be 24 minus 2 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18, sine of this is 0.9719. So this is 24 minus 17.5, which is equal to 6.5058 centimeter squared, and approximately 6.51 centimeter squared to 3 significant figures, right?